CanDo is a set of tools built on top of Basecamp, a blog, a knowledge base, bulk actions, Zoom meetings, and more. Things you can't do in Basecamp out of the box. All inside the Basecamp you already know and love. Let me walk you through. Hey, I'm Jason from IQTHINK. We make CanDo for Basecamp, and today I'd like to show you how you can easily move cards between card tables, as many as you like. Here's a common scenario. Maybe you have cards in your ideas board that got approved, and you need to move them to the active projects board. In Basecamp, you'd have to recreate or move them manually, one by one. A little bit painful. I'm going to show you how you can use CanDo to do that easier and much faster. So the first thing you want to be able to do is log in to get CanDo, and obviously you'll need a Basecamp account. So we're going to go ahead and click on Login. We're going to go ahead and select our Basecamp account. We're going to choose IQ Playground. And now we're going to go to Transfer Cards. Before I do that, I want to be able to show you what exactly is it that we're doing. So if we click here on our old card table, we have 22 cards. Now we want to be able to move them. Maybe you want to move them to another column, or maybe you want to move them to a new card table. In Basecamp, you would have to manually do it one by one. So click, copy, move, and repeat. In CanDo, we just select the project, we select the tool, and we're going to go ahead and click the column. You have the ability to select one at a time. Maybe your use case requires that, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and select all. And now we're going to select actually the same tool. Let's just say we want to move it to another column. We're going to move it to Figure It Out. Once we do that, we can see that right now we have 22 here, we have 2 here. We're going to go ahead and click Transfer. And then magically, everything just got moved over. This is all in real time. It's pretty neat. Now let's say that you want to be able to move cards, or the majority of them, over to this new card table. Same process. We're going to go ahead and select the project. We're going to select the tool. We're going to select everything for figuring it out, and we're going to select all. But maybe we want to leave 3 of them out. That's possible. We're going to select our new card table, and let's say we want to move them here. Once we click on Transfer, we're going to be able to see that everything went from old to new in just a few seconds. Hopefully you found that helpful if you're moving a lot of cards over from the card tables or maybe another column. If you want to be able to try CanDo for Basecamp, you can go to Basecamp's website and you'll find us right there in integrations, or you can just go to our website at getcando.com. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.